Ever wondered how to go from having absolutely nothing to achieving financial freedom? If you think it's impossible, think again. In this video, we're going to break down the exact steps you can take to go from zero to financial freedom. Stick around because this journey could change your life. The first step on the road to financial freedom is setting the foundation. Think of it as building a house. Without a solid foundation, everything can crumble. So, what does that mean for your finances? Set clear goals. You need to know what financial freedom looks like for you. Is it paying off debt, retiring early, or just having the ability to travel the world without worry? Write down your financial goals and be specific. Create a budget. A budget is your financial blueprint. Track every penny, what's coming in and what's going out. Start by listing all your expenses and categorize them into needs and wants. Build an emergency fund. Before you start investing or paying off debt aggressively, have at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. This fund is your safety net. With these steps, you're laying a strong foundation for your financial future. The debt can be a massive obstacle on your journey to financial freedom. Here's how you tackle it head-on. Choose a debt repayment strategy. Two popular methods are the debt avalanche and the debt snowball. The debt avalanche focuses on paying off high-interest debts first, while the debt snowball focuses on paying off the smallest debts to build momentum. Pick the one that suits you best. Control your spending. Mindless spending is a freedom killer. Identify your spending triggers and find alternatives. For example, if you always shop online when you're bored, find a new hobby or set strict spending rules. Live below your means. The less you spend, the more you can save and invest. Adjust your lifestyle to align with your financial goals. Remember, this is temporary, and the sacrifices you make today will pay off tomorrow. Now that you've got your spending under control and a plan to eliminate debt, it's time to supercharge your journey by increasing your income. Side hustles. Consider starting a side hustle that aligns with your skills or passions, whether it's freelancing, starting a small business, or driving for a rideshare company. Every extra dollar counts. Invest in yourself. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Take courses, learn new skills, or pursue higher education to increase your earning potential at your current job or open new career opportunities. Passive income streams. Look into creating passive income streams like dividends from stocks, rental income, or even creating digital products that sell while you sleep. Passive income is the key to financial freedom. Now let's talk about investing. This is where your money starts to work for you, creating a cycle of growth that brings you closer to financial freedom. Start investing early. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Even small amounts can become significant over time. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, real estate, and possibly even cryptocurrencies, depending on your risk tolerance. Invest for the long term. Financial freedom isn't achieved overnight. Patience and consistency are key. Focus on long-term growth rather than trying to get rich quick. You've done the hard work and now it's time to enjoy the rewards. But achieving financial freedom isn't the end of the journey. It's just the beginning. Maintain your lifestyle. Keep living below your means even after you've reached your financial goals. This ensures you stay free from financial stress. Continue investing. Don't stop investing. Keep your money growing and consider reinvesting your returns to maximize your wealth. Give back. Financial freedom gives you the power to give back. Consider donating to causes you care about or helping others achieve their financial goals. The journey from zero to financial freedom isn't easy, but it's absolutely worth it. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and how you use it. Start today, stay consistent, and before you know it, you'll be living the life you've always dreamed of. Subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances and living your best life.